Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. And I'm here again with this Unit 3 prose, The Wind and the Sun. So, you must be wondering what this lesson is all about. Children, this is actually a conversation between the wind and the sun. And you are familiar with this. You know, when it is cloudy, so the wind blows very strongly, and sun, in summers is very hot. So we will see how these two, forces of nature will talk to each other and see who is more stronger. Okay, let's get started. So one day, sun and the wind were talking to each other. What they were talking? Wind said, "Sun, can you see that man walking on down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can." So what the wind is telling to sun? That there is a man walking down the road and he is wearing a coat, and I can make him take off his coat quickly than you can. So what did the sun say? "We will see who is stronger. I will let you try first." So sun says, "Okay, you can go ahead and try, and let's see how much time you take to get that coat off." So now what the wind will do? Wind is puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. So you can see the wind is putting all its force and it is blowing hard. Woo, woo, woo. So what happens? What he says to himself? Man is saying to himself, how strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly around myself. So what is happening? The man is holding his coat even more tightly. He is seeing that wind is blowing very hard and I should hold my coat even more tightly. Then what happens? The wind felt that it should blow even more strongly. Woof, blowing harder. Woo, woo, woo. So you can see how badly now it is blowing. And what the man is thinking? He is holding his coat even more tightly. What man is saying? Pulling his coat more tightly. How cold it is. He's saying how cold it is. Now, after trying for so long, the wind went back to the sun, and what did it say? "Sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off." So basically, he was not able to get the coat off. So now sun says, "Now it's my turn. Let me try." And he shines hard. So what the sun will do? It will shine. It will show its power by shining. See how badly now it is shining. What will happen when the sun will shine so hard? It will become very hot. So it is full day sunshine, and suddenly, after so much of wind and clouds, now it is full sunshine. Now man is thinking, what a funny day. It was so cold and now it is so hot. The man doesn't know that it is a competition going on. So now he is wondering, what a funny day. It was so cold and now it is so hot. Sun shining harder. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. So this is the power of sun, to make anyone feel hotter and hotter. So now man wiping his face. I must take off my coat. Now he's feeling very hot, so he want to take off his coat. Oh, here go. So you can see here, wind has won the competition and he has made the man take off his coat. Sun is smiling and he is very happy that he has proven himself stronger than the wind. Now children, we'll see the new words which have come in this story. So the first word is wipe. Wipe is to clean or dry by rubbing. So when we rub some surface with some paper or maybe with our hands, then what we are doing, we are wiping the water or the dirt away. So what can be the sentence? She wiped away the tears from her baby's face. I wiped the wet dishes with a towel before putting them away. So basically we are wiping the water away with the cloth or with the hand. Okay, next let's move to the next word. Puff. So we saw that the wind was puffing hard. So what is the meaning of puff? A short, strong burst of breath. So when you fill your mouth with air and throw it out, that is a puff. Now sentence can be the locomotive gave off a puff of steam. So the locomotive gave off a puff of steam. So sometimes vehicles also give off puff of smoke. She blew out the candles in one puff. So you can see this is the action of puffing. Okay. Word is hold tightly. To grasp something firmly or to continue doing something. So hold tightly mean either you grasp something very firmly, or if you continue doing something, that is also holding to it. Okay, next sentence will be please hold tight to my hand as we cross the street. So when you are crossing the street, you generally hold your elder's hand tightly. So that is hold tight. Next is hold tight when you ride at the back of your brother's scooter. So when you are traveling on scooter and sitting at the back, then also you try to hold the driver tightly. Okay. So next word is won, which is a past tense of the word win, and the meaning of win is to achieve the victory. So what can be the sentence? Our team won in the inter-school. So yes, winning means when you achieve the victory. That is meaning of the win. Next we will see the sentence. Our team won in the inter-school basketball championship. So the team has won the basketball championship. Next word is she narrowly won the race by seconds. So she was running fast and she narrowly means with a very small margin she won the race. Okay children, so you have to complete these new words in your notebook, and in the next video we will see the book and the notebook work. Okay children, till then, bye. You stay home, stay safe.